Chicken tuna pastil. Let's start. Season with salt and pepper, boil the chicken for 20 minutes. In a medium hot pan, sear the chicken skin until the oil comes out. This recipe is a lot of work, especially the shredding of the chicken. Wait till the onions becomes brown. Our garlic and ginger. Our shredded chicken breast. Ayan. The rest of our chicken oil. Already mixed up seasoning instead of margarine. 2 cans. This is the second can. Cover and cook in low heat for 3 to 4 hours. Stir it from time to time. By the way, I added more or less 1 cup of water. Finally, after 4 hours of cooking,